Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fill up your IMUGA Travel Declaration, or you can say Travel Declaration for Maldives when you travel to Maldives. And this you can do within 96 hours of your flight time for arrival. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this government website and there they have the section of declaration. So when you come here for the first time, click on the new declaration. Here you need to upload your passport. Okay. So, and this will be used to populate the data in in other sections. Okay. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. Now here you need to select your purpose of visit. What is the purpose of your visit to Maldives? So I select holiday. Do it as per your own case. Your name details, gender, date of birth. Do it as per your own case. All the details you see here are self. Expiry date, passport expiry date. Haha. Nationality, as per your case. Country of residence, email address, your email address. Mobile number, do it as per your own case. Then upload your photo and then tap on next. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. Now travel details, details of your arrival to Maldives, origin country of departure. Yeah. Port of entry, where you're going to land. Yes. When are you coming? Let's say coming this on this day. Flight number. Wow, they have all the PNR. Length of stay. Let's say you're staying over 7 days. Accommodation. Where are you staying? Wow, that's good. When your point of leaving the country, when you are leaving, destination after Maldives, and the declaration. Have you decided to visit any of the above countries within 6 days before your arrival? So read it carefully and then answer. If you go for yes, then there'll be asked to which country you have visited, and then you need to apply put the yellow fever documentation. Okay, so never lie. Okay, always be honest. Custom declaration. How many check-in bags? Prohibited restricted item. Will be carrying any products over the counter limit items. And then you're gonna finish it. So of course I'm not gonna do that because it's just a sample, but this is how it can be done. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.